Hello guys, without any further delay, let's go straight away to the content. Today we are going to see how to remove the copyright claim. First go to the youtube.com and the Chrome. Okay, then you take this tab and then see for the desktop site. You select the desktop site. Once you select the desktop site, you will have the desktop view of the YouTube. So normally in the mobile view it will not be visible. So I'm going to the desktop view. Again in the desktop view you select this profile icon of yours. In profile icon we have to go for your channel or YouTube Studio. Okay, so now I'm selecting YouTube Studio. So in your channel, now if you see, I'm having all my videos whatever I have put. In that what we have to do is customize channel. I selected customize channel. In the customize channel, again in the left side we will be having content. So it will be in the form of a multimedia file. That content I have selected. If you select this content, you will have all the videos you have put. Then in the filter option you have to select the filter. In filter clearly you can see copyright claims. You select that. Okay, in copyright claims I am not having any copyright claim so far. So no matching videos. Please try again. If you have got any copyright claim, it might have been appearing here. So let us go for another case where this copyright claim is there. Okay, now I am moving to another channel. So I am switching to my other account. So in this process again I am going to repeat the same thing whatever I have did before. So whatever you have left or whatever you missed, again you can see. Now I'm going to take 1 second. Okay, again I'm going to select contents. Okay, so in contents I'm going to use my filter. Okay, that is where you'll see copyright claims. Now you can see I have got one copyright claim. This is purely because of using the music of any other movie or any album without permission. If you are using that, you will be eligible for copyright claim. But this copyright claim is not completely same as a copyright strike. This copyright claim is just a caution or warning given by YouTube. Like this owner of the video or audio says that we have taken their content without their consent. So what we have to do is, once we get this copyright claim, we will have to see whom gave this copyright claim and what's the exact reason. Or if you don't want this video, you can delete it very much. Deleting this also will do the job. Yes, in this video I am deleting it. Okay, either you can delete it or one more option is also there. Instead of deleting, you can see who has reported this channel as or this video as copyright claim. So you can see the actions, what to do. So in that they will be giving you options to either remove the background sound or remove the content wherever they have objected, the user has objected. That also will do the job. In the next video of mine, I will be telling you the difference between the copyright claim and copyright strike. Merely getting copyright claim 3 times will not delete your channel itself. Only if you are getting copyright strike, then if you are getting 3 copyright strike within 3 months, then your channel will be deleted. So if you think genuinely that this copyright claim is not correct, its content whatever you have posted is yours, then you can claim for a dispute. There is an option called claim dispute, but you have to be 100% sure that this content belongs to you, you haven't copied it from anywhere and it is purely done by you. Then we can go for a claim dispute of claim. Then you will have to give all these options. But yes, in this case I know already that I have taken content from different video or audio, so I am not going for this. I have just deleted my video. Yes, again I have come to the home page to just check whether this video whatever we have deleted it is there or not. So once we delete or remove the audio from the content where we got copyright claim, we have to again check whether this video is appearing or not. That's one final check we have to do. I hope you understood this copyright claim criteria. Thank you.